Hi, CryptoTester here. I'm doing this video because very often I'm asked how to turn a specific website in darkish, like they ask me if I use a special theme or something like that. And the answer is I'm using Darkreader, which is an extension for Chrome, and it is compatible also with Brave browser. If you're not using Brave browser, please install it. You can have a look in the description. You can get some rewards if you watch ads. You get paid for watching ads, so give it a try. So first of all, install it like this. But before, I wanted to show you how to deactivate it. You just click on the icon and then on off. So like this, you see how the website they look like. So for example, here we have CoinGecko. CoinGecko has an option to turn it in dark mode. So click here on the moon. So we already have an option for the dark mode. If you go on CoinMarketCap, you also have an icon here, dark mode, you have it. So if you go to trading view, you have an option on the top left here on the profile icon if you're logged in, and there is a dark mode. So as you can see, most of the crypto websites, they have already an option for that. If you go to Binance, we don't have it. And if you go to Binance Exchange, well, it's already dark. So you see some crypto websites, they already think that people they like the darkness or they work in the night, so they already have it. And now for where we don't have it, for like we can just use the Darkreader extension at the top here. We can activate it, and what I usually do is changing the shortcut here. By default it's Alt-Shift-D and it turns it on and off, but I like to toggle it for the website. So if I do Alt-Shift-D here, then I can apply only for the site. And now I show you how it works. So for example, we can go back to CoinMarketCap, where I already have the toggle mode. You see now I clicked it, I already have it. So in this case it looks good, so I don't need to change anything. Trading view also, it looks good. If I go to Binance, yeah, like it looks good. So but in some cases you want to deactivate because the website already offers a nice dark mode, and in that case you don't need it. Another thing I noticed, if because I'm using spreadsheets a lot for crypto to keep track of my trades and all of this stuff, so there is an issue that by default if you type something, you see it's barely visible, you don't see it. I mean, it's like this. And if you deactivate Darkreader, you see it's even written in gray, so that's a problem. I mean, to fix it you have all the time to go here and change the color, and that's not really usable. So the solution is here. You click the extension, you go to more, and I noticed that if you use this filter plus, then it's a bit darker, but still, at least when you type something, it's saved properly. And another thing, now if I go to the other pages, it looks a bit different. You see now we already have the dark mode here, plus the Darkreader one. The problem is because this one, filter plus, now it's active for all of them. So let's go back to the spreadsheet and see how it looks like. Here I can say I want filter plus, but I want it only for Google docs.google.com. So I click here. So I expect this filter to be used only on docs.google.com websites. So if I go back here, now it's still active, but I can change it again here, more, and I see dynamic. So I don't click only for this, I just keep the dynamic. Now it's gonna be used by default. So I go back to the other tabs and it looks good again. If I go here, I type something, looks good because this particular host, so I click here to see again, docs.google.com is using different filter. There is another thing. If you like to have everything dark, including the top bars, you just go to the settings of Brave browser, and by default it's light. You click dark like this, and you got everything dark, including the top part. So hope this helped somebody. If it did, please smash the like, check the description for more details, and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.